This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to change the high contrast theme back to normal in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Accessibility tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Contrast Themes. Corresponding to contrast themes, use the drop-down menu to change the selection to None. Click on Apply to save the settings. The screen will flicker for a few seconds, and then everything will be back to normal. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.